Ahoy there everyone, Captain Billy J here, and today I'm going to give you a room tour here at the Residence Inn in downtown Long Beach, California. Let's take a look. So we're here on the 6th floor. This is room 607, just down the hall from the elevators. Well, let's go ahead and take a look into 607. So this is a suite. And let's take a look into the room here. First, we have a kitchen. We got a nice size, full-size fridge. And we also have a nice full-size freezer. Cool. Microwave, stovetop, sink, dishwasher. And you probably have some stuff you can make dinner or lunch, whatever with. You have pots and pans, all kinds of stuff in here. Got storage underneath as well. Towels that provide you some soap, a sponge, and towels there. Let's continue on. So we have a little desk area, or it's a table, I guess, for dining. So dining area. We know the suitcases that are over here. We do have a nice desk area. We got this chair here. We got a light, phone, newspaper holders there. Nice couch. I don't know if it pulls into a bed or not, but a tabletop lamp, chair. This is where your TV is. I would assume that it will probably come out and face the bed. So yes, there's a nice bed. Now this is not a Queen Mary view. It's just a port view out here. So we got some industrial stuff over here, but for our other side, we go see the Queen Mary too. But we got a nice king size bed here. We do have a couple lamps. So you do have plug-ins in the lamps as well. 110 outlets on both sides. We got some drawer here. We got a Book of Mormon, and we got the Holy Bible here. Storage there. But we also have a dresser underneath the TV as well. Let's continue on into the bathroom area. And so we have a nice mirror. We've got one sink, towels. We've got cleansing bar. We got some storage underneath here. And, let's actually go on this side. We have a closet. We have hangers, extra blanket there. Ironing board, iron. Take a look into the bathroom. We do have a toilet area. And we have a nice shower. So, not a removable shower head, but it's just a permanent one up there. Hopefully the water pressure is good. At the end of this video, I'll let you know how well the room is and how the shower is, pressure. But that is the bathroom.
The Residence Inn, where dreams come alive. Yeah, rooms so inviting, they're a cozy vibe. Views of the harbor, watch the boats glide, grinning under the stars where smiles collide. Here in this haven, my heart finds its rest. Continental mornings, your love is the best. We're side lounging with the sun shining bright. Hot tub bubbles, everything feels so right. Breakfast spread waiting, pastries and eggs, coffee in hand, it's the little things are bad. In the heart of Long Beach, where comfort stays true. At the Residence Inn, it's me and you. Evenings together with the sky turning gold. Memories made like a story retold. this haven, my heart finds its rest. Continental mornings, your love is the best. The residence inn, where dreams come alive. Yeah, rooms so inviting, they're a cozy vibe. Views of the harbor, watch the boat slide, grilling under the stars where smiles collide. Here in this haven, my heart finds its rest. Continental mornings, your love is the best. We're side lounging with the sun shining bright. Hot tub bubbles, everything feels so right. Breakfast spread waiting, pastries and eggs, coffee in hand, so little things are bad. In the heart of Long Beach, where comfort stays true, at the Residence Inn, it's me and you. Evenings together with the sky turning gold, memories made here like a story retold. Here in this haven, my heart finds its rest. Continental mornings, your love is the best.
Well, hi there. So it's the next day, and it's got a little update on the room. The room is good. The bed was nice, comfy. Shower pressure was great. I had to turn down. It got hot really fast. So I had to turn down the cold, wait for the cool down, but it was good. The only complaint we have is the toilet. The flapper needs to be replaced. The water just kept continuously running overnight. Actually, when we first started, the water was off. Someone had turned off the water, so we couldn't do anything. So I had to turn the faucet on, or down by the bottom of the toilet, turn the water back on, and then it started filling up. Then you had to hold the flapper down in order to get the thing to flush. So I'm going to tell that to the front desk that need to replace that flapper because it's leaking water. But otherwise, the room was nice, good stay, and I do recommend this Residence Inn here in Long Beach, downtown. So do make sure I'm giving a thumbs up to this hotel. You give a thumbs up to me, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified when I post a video like this or go live. This has been Captain Billy J. Sign off. It's time to head to a cruise. So check out my next vlog. It's Cruise Day on the Carnival Firenze. Hey, did you check out that video right there? Check it out right now. It's related. YouTube suggested. Check it out. Captain Billy J.